Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a voiceover video on your TikTok app. So if you want to create a voiceover video where you're basically narrating for a video, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your Play Store or your App Store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, tap on the plus sign. Now you want to go ahead and upload a video. Now here I've selected a 40-second video, tap next. Now to narrate for this video, go ahead and tap on this timeline button here. Now here on the timeline, go ahead and select the video and make sure the video sound is switched off or is mute. Next, go ahead and tap anywhere on the timeline and then tap on sound, then tap on voiceover. Now you want to go ahead and tap record and you want to record your voiceover. So you're basically narrating what's happening on the video here. Now here you need to go ahead and describe what you're doing in the video or what's happening in the video. Once you're happy, tap stop and then tap done. Now you can go ahead and play back and preview your voiceover. Once you're happy, tap next and then go ahead and post this to your TikTok app. So there you go guys, that is how to create voiceover videos on your TikTok app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.